Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reading lesson 9, Safety and First Aid, class 5 in science subject. First of all, we are reading about some question in book. First, multiple choice question. First, which of these useful things can be dangerous if we are not careful? Answer all of these. Second, if you smell leakage of gas in the kitchen, which of the following should you not do? Answer open windows. Third, which of these should be avoided in the kitchen? And keeping a kerosene stove on the floor. Fourth, which one of these will you not do if there is a fire in an electric oven? Answer is throw water on the fire. 5. If a person gets burned by a chemical, the first aid to be given immediately is answer is wash with plenty of water. 6. A tourniquet is used to answer is C. Stop intense bleeding. Second, put right for true and cross for false. A. Most accidents happen when we are not careful. True. B. Medicines should be kept out of reach of children. True. C. Nylon clothes should be worn while cooking. False. D. To put out a fire, we should try to cut off its air supply. True. E. A petrol fire should be put out by pouring water over it. True. Sorry, false. F. A burn should be immediately treated with warm water. False. G. An infected wound should be treated with warm water. True. H. If someone fractures a leg, doing light exercise of the leg will help in healing the fracture. False. Third, fill in the words in the word bright. Student, you can look at there and solve your question. Okay. A liquid fuel whose fire cannot be put out using water as it is lighter than water. Kerosene. B. You should throw these over an electrical fire to put out the fire. Extinguisher. C. To put out a fire. Sand. D. Care given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor or nurse. First aid. E. Small bubble like swelling that form on the skin when it gets burnt. Blisters. F. Deep dirty wounds can cause this dangerous disease. Tetanus. G. A disease which can be caused by dog bite. Rabies. H. A twisted joint that swell up and is very painful. Sprain. I. A simple device to give support to an arm with a broken. A sling. J. A tight bandage that stops bleeding by applying pressure. Tourniquet. Okay, student, I have done some question in book. After that, question answer in notebook. Lesson 9, Safety and First Aid. 4. List 3 things at home which, if not carefully used, can result in an accident. Answer is, accidents at home are mainly caused by first fire, second electricity, third sharp things such as knives and scissors. 5. Why should we not do the following? Keep a burning kerosene stove on the floor. B. Switch off or on any electrical gadget if there is the leakage of cooking gas in the kitchen. C. Wear nylon clothes in the kitchen. A. A kerosene stove should not be kept on the floor as it can easily get knocked over and spill the kerosene. This can cause a major fire accident. A number of fires occur when people are not careful with gas stove. Make sure that the gas is switched off when not in use. B. Try to avoid keeping other electrical appliances near the gas cylinder. Fluc- any fluctuations could spark a fire in gas. There is a leak. Ensure you always turn off the knob after use. There could result in a spark which can lead to fire. C. It is dangerous to wear nylon clothes while cooking because it is synthetic clothes and they catch fire easily. 6. While standing in the kitchen, some hot oil falls on your hand. What will you do? Answer is, if hot oil falls on the hand, the burnt area should be immediately washed in cold water. This cools the skin and prevent inner portion of the skin from getting burnt. No other treatment is necessary. 7. What, in your opinion, is the one most important things to do for giving first aid in the following? A. Minor wound. B. A fracture. C. A chemical burn. A. First of all, clean your hands with soap and water, then wash the wound with well with soap and water. You can also use an antiseptic solution such as Dettol or Sablon should then be used to clean the wound. Take care to remove every little piece of dirt in the wound. B. If it is an open fracture or this is a visible wound, cover the wound with a sterile dressing or a clean non fluffy clothes. Apply pressure around the wound and not over the protruding pro, protruding protruding bone or suspected fracture site. To control any bleeding, then secure the dressing with a bandage. 8. How will you treat a sprained ankle? First, rest. Avoid activities that cause pain, swelling, or discomfort. Second, ice. Use an ice pack or ice slush bath immediately for 15 to 20 minutes and repeat every 2 to 3 hours while you are awake. 3. Compression. To help stop swelling, compress the ankle with an elastic bandage until the swelling stops. 4. Elevation. Think and answer. First, we can get a shock if we accidentally touch an electric wire at a point where the plastic covering has come off. This is because electricity passes from the wire to our body and affect our nerves. A person touching an electric wire with wet hands can get a bigger shock. Why? B. If the person touch only the plastic covering of an electric wire, he or she does not get a shock. Why? Answer A. Water is a good conductor of electricity, hence, if a person touches an open electric wire with wet hands, he will get a bigger electric shock. Water should, water should never be thrown over a fire caused by electricity, since electricity can flow through water. Throwing water in such a fire can be dangerous. If the flowing water touches someone, he can get a severe electric shock. B. They do not allow an electric current to pass through them. Therefore, even if we come into contact with the wires, we will not be shocked because the current will not pass through our bodies. Okay, student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz.